So after the discussion of homogeneous differential equation, now today I am going to discuss linear differential equation. Linear differential equation. So first of all, we should know the definition of linear differential equation. That is, what is a linear differential equation? Linear means what? If I say linear equation or general equation, we used to write ax plus by plus c equal to 0, right? That means what? The power of the unknown variable is 1. यही है linear का meaning. Okay? So linear differential equation means a first order, first degree differential equation in which the degree of the dependent variable. डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन का डेफिनेशन तो एकदम स्टार्टिंग में मैं दे दिया था. डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन में एक टर्म ऐसा होना चाहिए जिसमें dy by dx होना चाहिए, राइट? dy by dx, an equation which contains one dependent variable, one independent variable, and the derivative of dependent variable with respect to independent variable is called a differential equation. So dy by dx, this one is dependent and this one is independent variable, right? Linear means a first order, first degree differential equation in which the degree of the dependent variable and its derivative is 1. In which the degree of the dependent variable, so in this case the dependent variable is y, so the degree of the dependent variable and its derivative is 1, and they do not get multiplied together. They do not get multiplied together means x and y कभी भी एक साथ multiplication form में नहीं रहेगा. Okay, so such type of equation is called linear differential equation. Once again I am repeating, the degree of the dependent variable and its derivative is always 1, and they do not get multiplied together. So that means x or y multiplication form में नहीं रहेगा. So such type of equation is called what? Linear differential equation. Now there are two types of linear differential equation, right? Type 1. The first type is a differential equation of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q. This is the first type of linear differential equation. Okay, where p and q are what? Are constants. Where p and q are constants or functions of x only. Okay, where p and q are constants or functions of x only. यहाँ पे देख सकते हो dy by dx का पावर क्या है? 1. So that means degree 1 होना चाहिए. ठीक है, और x और y मल्टीप्लीकेशन फॉर्म में नहीं रहेगा. They do not get multiplied together. ठीक है. So for example, I have given one example also. The first type of linear differential equation, dy by dx plus 2y is equal to sin x. You can observe p and q क्या है? Constant, or you can say functions of x only. In this example, if you compare this example with this standard equation, we can say that p is equal to 2, which is a constant term, and q is equal to sin x, which is a function of x. Yes or not? So p and q either constant or functions of x only. Or functions of x only means if the linear differential equation is of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q. And type 2 is, ये रिवर्स हो जाएगा. ठीक है, टाइप 2, a differential equation of the form dx by dy plus px equal to q. Just reverse, change the coefficient of p and interchange dy by dx. तो ये हो जाएगा dx by dy plus px equal to q. In this case also p and q are constant or functions of y only. If the equation is of the form dx by dy plus px equal to q, then p and q either constant or functions of x only. You can see the example. Dx by dy minus y by x is equal to y square. If you compare this example with this standard form, we can say that p is equal to minus 1 by y. Minus 1 by y, because p का coefficient क्या है? X. So here also in this example the coefficient of x is minus 1 by y. So that's why p is minus 1 by y, whereas q is y square. So that means both the functions आर इन टर्म्स ऑफ वाई ओनली। तो वही तो लिखा, पी एंड क्यू आइदर कांस्टेंट होगा और नहीं तो फंक्शंस ऑफ वाई होगा इफ द इक्वेशन इज ऑफ द फॉर्म dx by dy plus px equal to q. So since there are two types of equation, now there is one interesting thing. In these two types of equation, you can see the similarity. The coefficient of dy by dx and dx by dy is always 1. कोफिशिएंट ऑफ dy by dx and dx by dy हमेशा 1 होना चाहिए। ये देख, ठीक से देख लेना है, क्योंकि जब न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करना है देन यू हैव टू अरेंज द इक्वेशन इन दिस वे ओनली। ओके, सो दीज आर द टू टाइप्स ऑफ लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन। ओके, एक्स और वाई कभी भी मल्टीप्लीकेशन फॉर्म में नहीं रहेगा और डिग्री ऑफ द डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल एंड इट्स डेरिवेटिव इज ऑलवेज 1. दिस इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. ओके, now method to solve the first order linear differential equation. Then now we know the two types of equation. Now how to solve linear differential equation? Now see the steps. The first step is you have to arrange the differential equation in the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q, the first type. Okay, this is the first step. After arranging the equation, then you have to identify p and q. Of course you can identify, just you have to compare with the standard form. Okay, you have to identify p and q, where p and q are constants or functions of x only. ये तो पहले ही मैं बता दिया था. Okay, the second step is find the integrating factor, if short form, integrating factor, by using the formula e to the power integration p dx. e to the power integration p dx. This is the formula for integrating factor. ठीक है, अरेंज करना है स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में, उसके बाद p और q का वैल्यू आइडेंटिफाई करना है. आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू फाइंड इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर बाय यूजिंग दिस फॉर्मूला e to the power integration p dx. And the last step is to solve the differential equation. We use this formula, the last formula, y into dot means into, y into integrating factor, which is equal to integration q into integrating factor dx plus c. Okay, so if you know how to solve the differential equation of first type, you can easily solve the differential equation of the second type also. वो भी मैं लिख दिया. If the differential equation or linear differential equation of the form dx by dy plus px equal to q, this is second type, then to find the integrating factor we use this formula e to the power integration p dy. just interchange कर देना है, यहाँ पे p dx होगा, यहाँ पे integration p dy, integrating factor find out करने के लिए. And at last to get the solution of the linear differential equation we use this formula. कुछ problem नहीं है. Here I am using y into integrating factor. In this case you have to use x into integrating factor, which is equal to integration q into integrating factor dx. Here also integration q into integrating factor dy plus c. That's it. Interchange कर देना है अगर second type में आएगा तो. Okay, now I am going to give some examples.